Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. Here I upload my day-to-day life healthy cooking recipes. So I opt for healthy recipes in order to stay healthy and fit. So today I am going to cook millet rice. So there are a lot of millets available in the market like barnyard millet, kudo millet, finger millets and quinoa. So these are very healthy. Unlike rice, it has lot of fiber in it and it will keep your sugar level in a constant level. So unlike rice has lot of carbohydrate, millets had more of fiber, which will help us stay full for longer time and keep you away from unnecessary hunger cravings. So today I am going to cook barnyard millet. So here I have taken 1 cup of barnyard millet, which I am going to wash it very nicely with water because millet has lot of dust in it. So I am going to wash it nicely twice, and after washing it I am going to soak it for 30 minutes because it has millet is very hard in texture, so it needs little bit of soaking so that water gets absorbs and it gets little softens a bit. So after 30 minutes the millet has been softens a bit. So now I am going to cook it in a flame. So in a gas I have put the pan, and now here I am going to pour the millets. So I'm not going to put any oil or anything, just simply the millets. And now I have taken 1 cup of millet, so I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So if you wish you can add a pinch of salt, which I am not going to add because I am going to enjoy with dal and vegetables which already has salt. Now I am going to cover it with a pan, and it needs 20 minutes of cooking because millets are hard in texture. So see, the water is getting absorbed by the millet slowly. So is being the millets is getting cooked slowly. So I keep the gas in medium flame so that it does not get burned. So slowly the millets are getting cooked. See, the most of the water got absorbed and also millet got softened a bit. So it needs another 20 minutes of cooking. So friends, please do include millets in your diet because it's very healthy. And state like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, people eat lot of millets in a diet, and they are very healthy and energetic throughout the day because rice makes you more lethargic, whereas millets will give you more of energy throughout the day. So also it will keep your body weight in a constant level. Unlike rice makes us fat, whereas millet will not make you fat. So my millet is almost ready. Now I am going to serve it with dal and vegetables. So look at my plate friends. I have millet, dal, vegetables, salad and egg. It looks so balanced. So balanced diet is very important. We should eat everything balanced and a healthier version of the food we choose. So I enjoy healthy food every day to keep my body fit and energetic. So please do enjoy millets in your daily diet. Thank you for